Morning everybody, it's Sam here from Lean Greens, and today on Upgrade Your Nutrition Challenge we're going to do making a banana omelette. Banana omelette, banana pancake. Hello Hero. Hero's been naughty this morning and has rolled in fox poo, so I'm not touching him. He is clean now. Anyway, so making a banana omelette. So this is one of my favourite breakfasts, especially on a weekend. You have a look over here. And this is one that's already going. So I've poured that into the pan with a little bit of coconut oil, probably about yay much coconut oil. And it's on quite a low heat. And if you go on YouTube and look for banana omelette, you'll find a video I did many years ago in Portugal. And since then I've refined the process a little bit to make it a bit quicker. So I found if you pop a wee lid on, so once it goes in there, you're not touching it, you don't have to move it around or anything, you just pour it in, more like a pancake, pop the wee lid on, leave it on a really low heat. So while that's cooking, I'll show you what's in it. We have one whole banana. You can do this in your NutriBullet or with a hand blender. I'm just using the jar I used to make the first one. Got 2 eggs. Oh, my Sainsbury's posh eggs today. I've run out of my nice eggs from the lady with the roaming hens. A little bit of cinnamon, quite a bit of cinnamon. Again, it's to taste. You could maybe put some nutmeg in there, would be quite nice. Some mixed spice. And since I started making these, I found that one of the keys to keeping it together and giving it a little bit more of a cakey feel is ground almonds. You could use any other kind of ground nuts. Just gonna put a wee bit in there. And it just gives it a little bit more of a, it just helps bind it. And let's just check on this one over here. So you can see it's starting to set around the edges where these little bubbles are coming out, but it's still a little bit runny in the middle. Nice and loose, we'll just leave that for a moment. Give this a good shush up. Like with any cake mixture, the more air you can get in it, the more light and fluffy it's going to be. So that's looking pretty good. We're just going to leave that one there until this one's finished cooking. When that's finished cooking, I normally serve it with a big dollop of yogurt on top. So I'm back with my Co-op Finest Greek yogurt, and I've just smooshed that together with some frozen raspberries and some fresh blueberries. And you can see, a bit like my smoothie bowl recipe yesterday, kind of getting to that same like soft serve ice cream sort of consistency, which is quite lovely. There, that's how we look over here. This is almost ready to try and turn over, and doing this live is a little bit worrying. We'll see if it works. I think it's going to, because it's nice and loose on the base. Let's give it a try.
See, look at that.
Oh, might have a little bit overcooked. I prefer mine quite sort of like.
That one's for me then.
This one's for Tim. So we'll just, that only needs a moment on the other side. Ready? This is also great, not only for breakfast, but just if you're wanting something cakey. It's quite indulgent and satisfying, while being full of good stuff. So there we go. I'm going to put a big dollop of raspberry blueberry yogurty mix, and then flip that over and try not to pull it apart. There we go. That is my banana omelette. So give it a try. Love to see your attempts. Hashtag upgrade your nutrition. Push the photo below, or just let us know if you've tried it and what you think of it.